Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Challenger. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, inside you'll find trip computer, universal garage door opener, compass. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.